episode of Business Every Day. My name is Jonathan, and today we're back at the investment property. This week, I've had the bush hogging done. I have come here and worked on trimming the hedges, removing a bunch of the junk around the property, and I actually have a trash removal company coming here in the next little bit, and they will be removing all of the left items, some couches and some beds and just other kitchen materials that were left here at the property. They're going to be taking it and removing it. And then I will be having some professional photographer come out and take pictures of the property, and then we can get this thing ready to sell. So I'm super excited about the progress that we've made on this property this week, and hopefully everything comes together so that I can get this property moved and on to the next project. So let's get this property cleaned up. Let's go. So this property actually comes with some bonus items. I got this entertainment centerpiece, I got this dresser piece, I got a couple of chairs, a stool, these picture frames. I will be refurbishing these pieces and then selling them on Facebook Market, because why not make a few bucks along with selling the property?